Come and see the way I was in a hurry to share this recipe with you, because it was nothing but delicious, and I know you're going to love it. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena, and if today is the first time here, Wazel, this is one of the best cooking channels on YouTube. So if you're interested, please consider to subscribe, press on the bell icon for more recipes. To my returning subscribers, you are awesome. Without much ado, let's proceed. I have my mackerel fish here. I will just cut off the head. You can keep it in them too. Or your door, Papa. That is just by the way. And remove the intestine. Any part that I don't want. But you can keep it if you want it. Remember, that is your food. Thank you. So after I do that, we are just going to proceed to the next thing that we will do. Please stay with me and do not go anywhere. I have really washed the fish very well, and now I have some lemon juice in the bowl. I'm pouring some water on it, then wash it well with the lemon water again. After I'm done, I'm just going to discard the water, then add some salt, enough salt. Allow it to be in the salt water for some time. It can be 30 minutes, it can be 1 hour, it can be 2 hours. Any minute that you want it to stay in the water, but I am going to leave it in the water for 1 hour. I will tell you why. So now I've drained the water from it after 1 hour. In another bowl, I have my pepper, ginger, garlic, and olive oil, which I added some all-purpose seasoning I made at home. I'm mixing it very well. Then on the other side, we are going to drain the water from the mackerel fish with paper towels. So after we are done, I'm just going to pour our seasoning on it. You can use any seasoning of your choice, okay? So at this point, you can let it stay for a while. It can be 30 minutes or any minutes that you want. And you can just put it in the oven straight away. It is going to taste good as well, because if you are preparing your fried fish and you do not smear anything on it, it tastes very good because it stayed in the salt water for a while or for a longer time, so it will taste good. So whether it stays for a while or you do it straight away, it is going to taste good. And this is the outcome. Oh my goodness, we enjoyed this with some eto and na a guy ankasa. I wish you were here. You would have licked your fingers like something. That is just by the way. Thank you for watching, and always remember, I love you. See you in the next one, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.